Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is September the 7th, 2023. Here to talk about Stellar or XLM, Stellar Lumens today, to see if it's a buy right now. I mean, when you look at the chart right now, you guys can see that price currently is hitting off of our trend line in Stellar, which began around June's timeframe of this year. We've hit it multiple times, and here we are again today. Yesterday, matter of fact, the market in Stellar hit our trend line, and the market actually ended up on the high end of the bar. So, I mean, should we come in and buy the market right now in Stellar? Should we wait? Because you guys can see from a prior price prediction, which was produced on July the 20th, I was looking for Stellar to go lower, and here it is today. You guys can see it hit our ultimate TB price of 13.25% on the 24th of July, so 4 days later. But if you were to still be in a position right now, you guys can see that that profit has increased to 26.88. Okay, so let's talk about this real quick, because the trend in Stellar has not changed. The market currently overall is still trending bearish. So we're not going to act like the market is bullish right now. Majority of the time, majority of the price action that has occurred in Stellar has been below that descending line. You guys can tell it. So now, which one of these lines do you think has a greater probability of breaking? Because whichever one it is the direction price is going to lead to. It's the direction that price is going to move. So looking at this on a 2-day time frame, you all can see here that, again, we're about to make a decision in Stellar. The market either is going to break above our descending line or it's going to break below our ascending line. And currently, looking at this on the 2-day chart, this market right here on this particular 2 days, it's reflecting that sellers are still present. And another negative aspect for the buyers is the fact that this area right here, I would say around 13 cents, is really plaguing the buyers as well. So not only are we noticing price in Stellar in a downtrend, the market also cannot break price above 13 cents. Each of those things are negative. Here's Stellar here on a 3-day time frame. You guys can see it here as well, that the market has tried multiple times to try to break above 13 cents, and each time that it tried, it did not do it. Take a look at Stellar on the 5-day. 13 hours and 19 minutes left. You guys can see that the market currently is accumulated. It's like building up an area to which the market wants to either transact and do business between. There's enough market interest, demand for those who are willing to sell and buy. Once this is completed, the market will definitely take a drastic move, either higher or lower. Look at this on the weekly. Take a look at Stellar on the 5 weeks. What do you think? Are we looking for, should we even look for too much of a price move right now? Or should we just let the market consolidate and trade within a range? This is the monthly price bar in Stellar. And again, I got to give it to the sellers. Like, I think the sellers currently is dominating the market right now for this particular cryptocurrency. So I should not be massively bullish. Even if I were to take this horizontal line that I just created around 13 cents, look at this. It's not a coincidence that the market in Stellar cannot break above 13 cents. That's a massive area of selling in Stellar. Look at all these monthly price bars that Stellar couldn't even do it back in 2022. And we're now crossing that crossroads again. So all in all, I think the majority of the price action is going to be Stellar trending to the downside. There will be opportunities in days to where price will inevitably go up. But with that being stated, we need to look around that 13 cent area for resistance and increase in selling. Okay. So let me do this. I am going to anticipate that the market in Stellar is weaker right now, and we're going to look for price to continue to go lower. Albeit, you guys can see here on the 330-minute chart that we're not really seeing a drastic move right now. The market's just simply consolidating in this range. So we may not see the market in Stellar go that low anyway, but we have to take the side of the market that is currently controlling price. Okay. So as long as Stellar's price holds below this 13 cent area, we suspect that price in Stellar is weak. Okay. And our first target into the market for Stellar is going to be here, right around 11.5 cents. That's 4.58% there. And let me bring that down. And our second target in Stellar would be around 11.28. Those are the only two targets I'm going to drop right now. and it kind of lends us that we're going to break that trend line. So we're going to follow this trend in the market in Stellar to the downside. All right, so that's it. I'm finished. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Hit the like button while you're at it. Share the video and also subscribe. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.